Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of our Faction Flag gathering. The last time, I don't know if I will upload the previous session wherein nangyari kasi is malag and then I had to cut it and the next na recording is I wasn't able to use the mic. So I was thinking na parang i-voice over ko na lang sana, but, uh, I don't know if I will upload it. But in any case, anyway, I have, kumbaga skip a few sessions. No, just, 1 session lang naman. So, I came back and, parang okey din naman. So, I was able to earn again, for that session. Mas okey kasi I was using an Avalonian but the problem is masyadong mabilis yung kanyang decay with the durability. So, I was thinking of using the normal na weapon, eh. So, yun nga, for the repair. So, here we are, and these are some of the buy orders na, ginawa ko. So as you can see, yung price na nilagay ko dun is 99. So, I mean 99, it's, 999. So, 1 coin, 1 silver away from 1,000. So, 999 silver. And, kailan ko ba 'to nilagay? 1 day ago. So, more than 2 days, I mean. So, as I've said, sinabi ko dun sa isa kong video regarding the, market history, you can do so as well, you can do it. Just check the amount. Actually, this one, malaking tipid mo nito, eh, kasi kung di ako nagkakamali, the price of journal is around 1,000 something. So, masyado ng mahal mahal kung bibilhin mo. Pero ginawa ko lang, bumili lang mga 5 and, so ito, I've learned to fill them. But I put up a buy order for 999. So, ang current na meron is at 46. You can, parang undercut yung buy orders. Problem with this one is if only I mean, do so only if you're, kumbaga in need or if you have an extra money. But if not, set up buy orders, look for the amount. Tingnan mo naman, for the, ano ba tawag dito, market history kung ilan to 169. So, most likely mga, let's say 1 stock, 999 pieces in a day. So, this one can be filled or even, let's just say nasa ano lang 400 kasi this one is 60. Okay, this you can say 100, 150, 400, 500, 600. See? This one is, yeah, 150. So, around 200 to 300. So, let's say 500. There's a sold orders of 500 counts. Kung titingnan mo naman, wala namang, kumbaga, yung sa 300 amount na yan, hindi naman lahat yun eto. May mga siguro players na bibili niya. Pero if it's me, hindi ko na bibili 'tong ibang 'to. So, I'll just set up buy orders. And since the buy orders, the amount is 46, 57, for sure I'll be the next one. Actually, you can even place probably around 400 and, may magbebenta pa rin yan. The reason na meron kasi once you are, using laborers for this item, there will, time comes na parang medyo sobra na yung or nakabalik na yung ano mo, ROI with the amount na binili mo. Saan puwede mo siyang ibenta, may mga gano'n, nagbebenta naman. So, yep, as you can see meron ditong current na completed transactions. So, someone had sold, some of their items, so I can just take them. I have 7, probably gawin nating 10. Tapos bili lang ako siguro mag-set up din ako ng buy orders. Kasi hindi ako nagkakamali for the gamekeeper, it's a little bit expensive din. Oh, yeah, it's expensive, so I can just place by order here, probably 500. And I don't know, I say minsan iisipin mo rin kung halimbawa bibili ka ng 500 for a month ng isa lang, I don't know if someone will feel that. Kaya minsan, better to place a little bit more. Tapos bili lang tayo ng mga dalawa, puwede na 'yan. Just to minsan you can do is halimbawa bibilhin mo 'to, tapos bilhin mo yung isa. The reason na ginagawa ko 'to kasi it means may isang item dito, so the next guy will undercut it and then ilalagay nila dun. Hindi nila naisip they can just buy this and then place the amount na kailangan nila. Kasi ito, they are losing about 96 silver because of this. So parang, the guy who placed this will siguro hindi naman nagmamadali, I mean hindi naman nag-iisip ng gano'n pero anyway sayang nun. They can just buy it and then place another, 'di ba? So we have okay, 2 should be fine, hindi naman natin masyado kailangan so we'll just keep it. And, are we done? Yeah, I think we're good. No, we're just gonna place I think it's fine, okey pa naman yung ano natin capacity. Oh, food. I'm not sure if I did. May binili ba ako? Oh, yeah, I did place. So ito matagal-tagal pa 'to kasi I don't know, 4,000 that's too far. Medyo mababa yung, ah, hindi naman mababa pero matagal na talaga yun for sure. So, we'll just probably buy pork pie. Okay, that should be good. Oh, no, we forgot about our skinning. Kasi malapit na rin naman tayo mag T5 so, we can buy this one. I'm not sure kung sige dalawa nga natin. Kung titignan mo kasi dapat pala bumili na lang ako nung gano'n. Tapos yung set up by orders pero okey na rin naman. So, we're gonna teleport 33 and then similar. It's still being fought over, right? Probably may laban. We'll see. Parang maganda may laban nga. So, we'll go there for a bit, swap to our fight gear and probably join, some fights. We're just gonna heal, players anyway, so alright. Oh, look at that. There's a big blow. Yep. So this is content, guys. Alright, we're doing a good content. I'm gonna try to message. Oh, okay. I don't. So someone wants to join. We're gonna join anyway. And fine box. Big light. Actually, no. Look at that, brother. What is up? Alam mo meron. Someone's enjoying the fashion war, but okay, gonna join. Hmm. Holy jeez. Dito kayo. Oof, getting run over, boys. Medyo ano lang muna, laban-laban lang. I'm on my, gathering sites. Also, what so yung ano din which is why minsan ayaw ko din mag-Avalonian weapon kasi if I die using the Avalonian weapon, medyo mataas yung repair costs. So, okey na rin 'to. Kailangan lang umaano, grabe naman 'yan. Ay, saan na 'yun? Wala ba? Tabi kayo sir. Ay grabe, look at this. Wait. Makisali nga tayo dun sa ano, so I'll hop into my guild's Discord and, inform them. The proud not wait. Finish na soon. Alright, we're okay, so wait on that, wait. So our terry or our faction territory is being sieged on all sides, but by the Bridge Watch. Damn. So I'm just gonna look around. I'm sure I'm not gonna uh fight much since again my plan is to gather, but we're gonna check and take a look outside of this blob. But anyway, hold on. Let me just try to. All right, that's a big blob. Anyway, let me try to design my. Oh, what is that? My guild and inform them about the fight. Probably I'll screen share. Anyway, I was just gonna leave them. I think they're doing a PvP session. All right, PvE. So gonna take a look. All right, kind of funny. I mean, it's kind of cute, I guess, having to uh fight like a black zone here in the yellow zone and seeing how big these blobs are currently. It means it's doing something good for the faction war, but I'm not sure how long it will last. So we'll see. So there's as you can see here, it's a big blob. I cannot go in because I'll probably get bumped, and I mean I'm not gonna die, but the the repair is something. So they're getting siege. I mean the I'm not sure what they call it, the territory or the faction tower. I guess that's the name. So it's being sieged right now. Yeah, there's a big one. I mean, it's kind of cool looking fighting or playing in a CBCC school. It's great to be honest. It's fun as well. Watching these fights or being part of these fights as well. Look at that. All right. So there's the south side siege, and then there's the north side or east side siege. So they're trying to do a pincer move. Right. Also, I will try to heal. So maybe hold on. So I'll try to join them then. Hello, hello. What's up? What's up? Wait. A little bit. Sus Grabe naman yung laban dito, sir. Oop, grabeng lag. So this is the, the fashion wear ano, hold on, ay ang kasi yeah, I'm trying to cut off my, feed in our Discord and, it's kinda laggy. Okay. Hindi yata tayo makapag-ano, so I will probably not gather today, so I'll just, join these fights. I'll check my current earnings that I get. I don't know if I I think I was, being healer, is kinda cool in, Faction War because as long as you're healing, I think you get, points. Yeah, someone died there. Do we get no, I'm not sure if they were getting bombed or, we have a oof, solo bomb or something. I don't know if this kind of, gameplay will be stale, in the long run because the second iteration of Faction War was somewhat, it has become stale and bland, due to it's only being a fixed fight and camp camping. Oh, get stunned. So yep, this is the Faction War in essence, where you'll be fighting. It's similar in the Black Zone. The fights. Okay, we'll see. I think there's a bomb there. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, no, they don't get healed. So ang dami. Yeah, what you can do, with the names, you can remove the names if you're lagging too hard. I mean, if grabe na yung lag, siya aalis. So yun nga, kapagka masyado na ma-lag in your end, you can just turn off the name. Oh, look at that. There's a queue. Oh, patay ka pa rin. Heal kita konti, sir. Alright, I think they're moving out. Okay, we'll try them out now. I mean, it's in yellow zone. Oo, hindi ka naman mamamatay, eh. Kaya minsan nakakatuwa din. Oh, 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 you get? Yun. So, yun lang ang ano dito kasi nga hindi ka naman mamamatay minsan parang ano, there's no organization or yun nga, hindi siya organized. So, anong nangyayari sa laban. Okey nga 'tong ano na 'to, meron kasi yung ano, yung typical, yung dodge. For this one ang range niya yata kasi masyadong maliit compared to this one. Mas okey 'to, eh, parang mas okey 'to. I'm not sure if merong, gumagamit, but if anyone watching this, you've seen it here first. Yo, alright. Oh, mana mana 'yan, mana 'yan. Kasi nga, maganda siya kung titingnan mo tatalon ka pagka immune ka, eh, for the damage. Grabe naman mas malaki yung ano, yung blob ng kalaban. Siguro lang, ito lang munang gagawin natin, we'll try to wait until the fight ends. Tingnan natin kung magkano makuha natin. So 62, we have 62K or 63, 63,000. Ouch. We have 63,000 action points. Oh no, why did we come out of the area? Can we, patay tayo dito 'to. 'Di ko makita. Alright, nice. Meron silang talon 'no, yung blink. Mercenary yata 'yan. Alright, look at the blob. Ano, patay ka diyan sir. Eto, patayin niyo 'yan, patayin niyo 'yan, patayin niyo 'yan, patayin niyo 'yan. Oh, I gained pero kanina hindi, ba't wala? Kailangan ba talon. Wala na akong mana. Sino may mana? Hina naman ng heals na 'yan. Nasa north na sila, walang mana. Pahinging mana sir. Eto, Agsenda sa choke point. Uy, uy, oo. So that's the combo. Actually yung medyo ano yung combo ko, puwedeng ano, E and then jump out, 'di ba? Puwede yun. Tapos saka na lang maglalapag ng Jerigator robe or armor pala. Yoy, patay ka. Nakalimutan ko na-killer nga pala ako. Tingnan mo lang asan na sila, pa-north sila sir, baka mahati, 'pag nahati 'yan, up, 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 up. Nasa north, eto, northwest guys, nasa northwest sila. Ay isa pa pala, yung ano yun? Sa ibang, laro meron sila nung voice proximity. Not sure kung siguro pagka nilagyan nila 'tong Albion baka hindi ano, hindi or mag-lag na sobra-sobra yung laro. Uy dito, ay, kaya nakakatuwa naman sila, eh. Yeah, I think we're able to push the, bridge watch. Ay naku, dito sir, eto. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, patay siya. Atakihin mo, patay ka, asan na kayo? Uy, boom, heal. Grabe yung zombie. Takbo kayo sir. Ay, Hindi ka makakapalagi saan ka pupunta? Boom! Ay mali. Ay naku po, kinain nila lahat. Saan kayo pupunta? Tatakbo na, eh. Ay naku po, sa gilid, sa gilid, sa gilid, sa gilid, sa gilid. Tabi kayo diyan, tabi kayo diyan. Madawan na tayo. Mount up. Takbo sir, takbo tayo. Tapos ikot. May kalo-kalo meron sa gitna nito, 'di ba na ano ba, 'di ko alam kung ano meron dito sa part na 'to, eh. Maybe just design, I guess. Ta's balik ulit tayo, balikan yun lang tago, balik, ayan. Tingnan nga natin 'to ano, punta tayo dun sa ano, sa 2000, yung kanina yan. Nag-cluster Q na, eh. So, laban na nga tayo, wag na tayo uy, uy, ay naku po, saan 'to pupunta 'tong mga kolokoy na 'to? Hoy, 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 hoy. Eto para saan 'to? Ah, how about this? Patay ka, takin mo, ge. Wala tayong damage, wala kayong damage. Tas kanda yung mga ano ba 'to, parang ba commando unit sa ng ano ka, sabog. Oo, dito nga tayo may pasama ka? May diyan, eh, aray ko. Ay, 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 na-Diyos. Nag-ano ka ano yung aking ano, aray ko. Kung kailan nag-ano yung aking, lalamunan, eh, saktuhan pa na-bump yung bump. Alright, so muna muna tayo tingnan natin yung repair, 21K. Dito medyo mahal dito pagka ano, 'pag repair. Dun sa city mas mura dun, eh. Pero parang mababa nung ano, mababa yung points. Siguro yun na muna yung ano natin, regarding the faction. Pero maganda sana sumali pa, eh, pero so we'll do a bit of gathering. Medyo na ano tayo dun sa sa faction war. Pero nakita niyo naman yung laban disorganized masyado kasi nga, yellow zone lang or Royal Continental Lethal. Though, tingin ko okey din naman as a guild content maganda rin naman siya. Yun nga lang, wala masyado akong nakikitang guild wherein they're focusing on, this content. So, I'm looking for that guild na they don't really care about, being efficient. They don't really care about, how much you earn per hour. So, I'm looking for that specific guild na they don't care kung anong sasabihin ng ibang player na, yellow zone, no, 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 no. Looking just for that group of people na mag-e-enjoy na ito gawin lang, okay, guys, let's mass for the faction war, we'll do the yellow zone and then puwede rin, we're gathering. So, gano'n. Gathering or fame farming in yellow zone since ang kumbaga the goal is to enjoy, 'di yung parang, ah, to be efficient ika nga. Go there, be there or reach the highest tier, parang gano'n. Kasi okey din naman, as you can see may kita din. The only problem is hindi nga lang talaga siya gano'n kalaki. But if your goal is to just, enjoy, why not, 'di ba? By the way, there's a, 25% fame rush buff for only 3 days. Di ko alam kung bakit may buff. May post regarding this pero di ko na nabasa. I only know about the fame buff. So, yeah, we're here doing this content. Sayang din, eh. Yan, dami pa rin, 'no, and still, Cluster Cube, tingnan nga natin. Nice. Yung isa pa, siguro ang kinaganda naman nitong current iteration is yung una nga kasi kapagka namatay ka, tapos wala kayong spawn, masyadong malayo, especially kapag na-cut off na yung ano niyo, yung parang line. Ito yata hindi, eh. Kumbaga kung nasaan yung laban, there's a teleport option na kung saan malapit. So, kahit papaano alam mo tsaka alam mo din kung nasaan yung laban, alam mo yung, saan yung may players na makakalaban. Kasi dati, ang alam mo lang is makita mo na this zone is being attacked pero pagdating mo dun walang content, walang makakalaban. At this time, iba na siya, eh. You will know na meron. Like this ang dami, oh. Pero yun naman yung ano, let's give credit where credit is due. So, kudos. Ang sabi is the person behind this update of the faction war is the person behind the update as well nung faction war nung EVE Online, which is dun yung idea or the inspiration nitong laro. It's a space game naman kasi yun. But yun nga, the person who planned or I think she ang nag-ano nun. So, the person who planned that, changes sa faction faction content din ng EVE Online is siya din yung nagbago or may isip or the guy behind this new content. So, maganda naman, I think. For now yun lang yung nakita ko is maganda yung feedback. So far wala akong nakitang negative feedback aside from my own, personal take. Siguro dahil ano pa lang yun halos kaka-release lang and wala pa masyadong nakakakuha nung playstyle or parang gameplay loop. So yeah, killer din siya, eh. And since ngayon meron na rin naman, I don't know, siguro mas bet din nila yung ganito, CVZ fight, territory fight. At least may kumbaga may sense unlike yung dati na dun ka lang sa outpost. And yung sa outpost kasi parang it's limiting. Yun lang yun, outpost and then they can just get bombed tapos wala na. At least with the Terry, I think there's something you can, parang shield mo, you can go to and yun, they have to siege, ika nga. Grabe ang dami pa rin 'no? It's still about 300 currently, as you can see here, there's a counter, it's about 341 players, but it says here friendly. So, I think that's us, Limhurst flag and those non-flagged players, but the rituals are not counted. So, pwedeng double or we could say since nagka-cluster queue, it's probably more than 400. Tapos kidding ganito. No, gatherer lang oh. Probably just here. Ay, hindi ko pa pala magagather 'to. Day 4 pa lang, eh. Bigay ko na lang 'to sa'yo, sir. Saan ba 'to? Weapons cache siya, eh. Ito ata 'yan. Tapos nga pala may sinilihan akong faction Discord sa Limhurst and ang dami niyang ping. So, it means I think, the faction warfare is indeed alive. So, sana tuloy-tuloy. Kasi nga sabi ko, I will, come back playing the game just for the faction war content. Kasi parang nanawa na ako sa Black Zone, eh. Masyado na ring competitive and, I don't know, I lost the interest and the drive to play the Black Zone. But maybe, I don't know, I can't really say. But maybe the near future I will, play in the Black Zone again pero mas preferred ko pa rin yung Avarade. Yun nga lang, I have a group na I can join pero bagong ano ulit yun, eh, bagong parang pakikisama kasi hindi ko na rin kilala lahat. I just know about few people na kumbaga in the management and, iba na rin yung setup ngayon, it's 10 man. Yeah, it used to be 20 man pero matagal din yun and 10 man siya and, ah halos similar pa naman yung run, mas gutsi na lang siguro yung kailangan mo dalhin and mas restrictive na siya in a sense na I think ang kailangan mo dun is yung awakened, yung point 4. The one I'm using is a point 4, hindi nga lang, awakened. Kailangan mo siyang i-awakened, literally. Di ako nagkakamali, kailangan mo ng siphon energy and, uy, ba't mo ginana yun? Kailangan ko ng siphon energy tapos, punta ng foundry artifact station tapos i-awaken mo yung weapon na gusto mo. I mean, I have an awakened weapon ata, di ko maalala kung anong ano yun, anong weapon. Mahal nga lang, eh. Let yellow zone player suffer. Ano yun, sir? Minsan gano'n kasi, "Oh, we lost." Mamaya alis na tayo dito. Participate, nice. Get out the lost. Ano mangyayari dito? Paano nila siguro kailangan ko na rin umalis. Oh, nice. Alright. Kailangan ko na rin siguro umalis kasi 62. Malaki, malaki yung points. Ah, kasi nila 'to, eh, and malapit ako sa may outpost, baka makita. Ang dami kasing T4, oh. Laki pa rin ng blob, oh, halos parehas. Meron dito, may isa pa dun. Cavalry didn't come. Alright. Sarap ito i-gather, oh. Yung isang ano lang kasi nito nung pinaghiwalay nung server, pinaghiwalay ni SBI yung server, we are hindi nila ginawa na yung character mo from your, uh, I mean yung old character mo from West or American server parang puwede mong i-transfer. Pero nung nilabas nila yung Europe sabi nila, "We don't have a plan to move or to transfer or allow transfer of players' character sa bagong server ang ano nila, within 18 months or hindi naman within, I mean yung forecast nila is siguro pag-iisipan nila after 18 months, yung parang gano'n. So, sa ngayon hindi pa nila inaano yun, hindi pa ginagawa. It's a bit unfair nga naman kasi yung iba talagang ano na, parang high-end. Gusto kong bigla nila ita-transfer tapos yung iba halos kaka-start pa lang siyempre baka isipin niya parang pay to win. Pero ano, paano nila gagawin, like, I have a character in West and then I have a character now. So, baka ang gagawin is they will let you choose kung alin yung you will keep or, ah, parang new account ang mangyayari. New account yun, pero kasama nun yung kuwan mo, characters. 'Cause, currently this one I'm using is on my one account. Similar yung account na 'to with my West. So, kung pagsasama nila parang hindi babagay. So, baka they will, give you or allow you to transfer yung characters na yun in your new account. So, magke-create ng bagong email and then dun ipapasa, baka gano'n mangyari. Yun nga lang ang tanong is kung kailan. Kasi right now, I'm already or hindi pa naman kataasan yung, stats ko compared to the other players. Ito is 200 with 36. Yun nga lang yung ano, yung gathering ano ko, fame. So yun nga parang, pag-transfer, I mean yung sa West I have like 600 yata nun or So, mas pipiliin ko din 'yun for me kasi oh, ano ba tayo makaka-cut off ba tayo? Hindi naman. So, mas pipiliin ko din yung West account ko kasi mataas na 'yun, 600 and nasa T8. May T8 nga din 'yan, eh, yung mga ano nun, sa gathering kasi as I've said gatherer ako dun and yung alam ko yung wood nun, yung skinning and wood na T4 is max ko na yun. Tapos, T4, T5 similar, max na rin yung aking, skinning. Hindi skinning pero yung wood na T5 no nasa 92 pa lang yata. Sinubukan ko siyang balikan to max para yung T4 and T5 na skinning and, wood are max pero yun nga, 'di na ginanahan dun sa west masyado na nga rin, masyadong ma-lag kaya iba na rin yung feeling. Kaya maganda maganda pa rin if you have a good ping. Pero I don't know why you have enjoyed playing west back then or in America even with the that kind of ping and the lag. Pero mas na-enjoy namin, na-enjoy ko. Pero nung pagbalik ko nga lang is iba na yung feeling. Kaya okey na rin 'to na here in Asia, so I'm trying to focus here in Asia. Ngayon sobrang baba ng stats ko, eh. Yung iba yata yung mga kasabayan ko or for those players na nag-start sa umpisa nasa billion na yung fame nila, pero pinaggagawa ko nun. I mean, I was more busy managing or helping manage the guild, in the Discord instead of, ah, doing yung like fame farming which was the thing na pinagkaabalan ko na rin kasi yun kumbaga nag-fame farm na ako lahat-lahat, nag-gather, back in West. So, parang, nakakabagot na minsan kaya hindi ko na bet yung mag-fame farm ng either solo or group dungeon. Kaya mas preferred ko ngayon ang ano, Ava Raid. So, dahil hindi naman siya daily or hindi na ako kagaya ng dati na parang, every hour or parang whole day yung laro. Kaya I was more focusing on the Discord. So, yeah, thanks for the Lord. So, yeah, mas pinagkaabalan ko yung Discord na nun. Tapos minsan nakakatuwa pa yung iba kasi parang, officer tapos parang hindi active sa in-game, mas busy pa daw sa Discord, ano. I mean, bro, I'm trying to help the guild. So, yeah, I was an admin, Discord admin sa Discord namin nung sa, old guild ko. So, I'm trying to help them. Ba't siya tabi? Feeling ko mag-aano yun, eh, te-teleport. "Hoy, hala ka, cancel kita." Ito, dapat pala kinancel ko na. Pang-asar ba? Ano, I'm just a gatherer. So, yeah, I had some experience as a Discord admin, and ngayon I'm creating my own Discord bot, pero it's for the Bitcraft Online. So, I did try a bit, parang may ginawa ako na konti lang naman na, Discord bot for Albion as well. It's more of, parang attendance checker sana yun, eh. Ah, attendance checker tapos yung, login, online, offline na players, pero di ko na rin naman tinuloy. Pero I was able to develop yung basic feature niya, and okey naman, somewhat okey naman yung output. Yun nga lang, naging busy kaya di ko na masyado tinuloy. Alright, so nagsialisan sila. I don't know kung are they attacking Spindlewood or maybe not. Siguro mas preferred siguro talaga ng mga players yung attacking or sieging, this territory instead of the outpost. Kasi ayun, oh, yung iba nagsisialisan na, uwian. So maybe mas okey nga yung gano'n. So to the devs, hello. Maybe just to give you a feedback. I think players prefer doing a siege. So it's probably CVZ style of faction war instead of just going to the outpost and capping. Probably let the outpost capping for the newbie, but maybe make it similar to how outposts and the Blackstone work. May chest siguro mas baka maraming mag-ano nun, mag-take instead of just go there, cap, and then, nothing. Aside from, of course, the faction bonus, maybe give them some incentive to get a chest. Ayan naman daw, ba't may, nag-iiyak na naman. Alright, so wala pa masyadong nakitang enchanted na point 3. Baka naman sir, pagbigyan niyo naman. Alright, so we'll just do 30 minutes. So we have 10 minutes more. Okay, punta tayo dun sa gilid. Tu Friday nga pala ngayon. So, ewan ko nga pala ba't napansin ko, ang nagiging parang patch day na nung iba is Friday. Akala ko there's no patch or update sa Friday. Ano 'yan, pagka nagkaroon ng issue, bahala na. I mean, sinasabi ko kasi I'm checking the Discord at sa Bitcraft, and they have, released a patch. Pero di naman siguro wala naman siguro siyang gameplay patch or gameplay update. So baka okay, but from what I understand, it's better not to to send out a patch during Fridays because some of your employees or some of the employees will be off kasi weekend. Hindi naman siguro sila parang on call wherein they will come into the office if there's an issues or hindi naman siguro sila work from home wherein again, yung oras is kumbaga flexible. Pagkakaalam ko game developers are still working, on the normal basis, like 9 to 5 and Mondays to Fridays instead of, having to work, during, weekends. Anyway, that's what I know but siguro okey naman. Since anong petsa ba ngayon, 12? Kasi the Albion, I mean, the developers of Albion, they are releasing patch 2 for Realm Divided this coming 17. So that's Wednesday. So yeah, mas okay siguro yun. Like, send out the patch on the middle of the week. So I think Wednesday is good kasi if in case there are some issues, there's some bugs, madali lang. All right. So we're just gonna finish our food and then head out. So yung ay may silaw pala. So nakita niyo man yung laban, with the faction war and, okey maganda maganda naman, in my opinion kasi I have played the Black Zone and again, sabi ko nga the the faction war na nilagay nila it's like a copy paste of the Black Zone content. Nilagyan nila ng territory, you gotta defend, and then kailangan nilang i-siege. Though mas okay compared to, back then wherein it's only the outposts. Minsan sabi ko nga nakakabagot yung outpost na yun kasi you have to kill the boss, may PVE, and then actually meron pa rin naman ngayon. Tapos ika-cap niyo, stay kayo dun sa zone or dun sa circle and then wala na, you get the points pero walang siguro kung lagyan nila ng chest maybe baka maengganyo yung mga players. Tapos, disallow the capping or disallow giving points to those players na hindi nag-cap. Medyo lakihan lang siguro yung circle probably not in the middle but add, capping on the sides kasi nangyari naman is they get bombed. So to combat that probably, for example, this is the square, so put a capping circle on the corner. So parang gano'n. Or kung hindi naman, capping circle, probably if let's say the outpost is square and then there should be a radius. So the players can stay out of that circle to avoid, getting bombed. Tapos puwede rin na even if they're mounted, as long as they are in that, radius, they're able to cap it, they get points. Unlike the current situation we're in, nangyayari they would kill the boss, tapos aalis na sila. Hayaan na nila kung sino nandun pero or hayaan na lang nila kung sinong gusto mag-cap, kung sinong maiiwan. So, mangyayari, it can be sniped by other players. So, gano'n ang outcome. So, parang sayang balik kayo doon and then maka-cut. So, mas maganda na, disallow those players or they don't get any points if hindi sila nag-cap. And para ma-cap yung zone or the outpost, they have to stay in the radius of the area, ika nga. Para naman maiwasan yung bombing. So, at least lakihan yung capping. So, parang ano ba, parang, ah, similar to how the territory boss works, wherein if anyone or if any player is inside the territory, the boss, gets this buff. So, parang gano'n. Kasi since capable naman na nata-track naman wherein, they have some sort of system to check who is in the area. So, maybe kopyahin lang yung logic na yun and then add that on the outpost. Tapos yun puwede na ma-cap. And then those players na nag-cap sila lang yung may points para hindi hindi naman na kawawa yung ibang players na parang, "Ano kami capper lang, gusto rin namin mag-enjoy, mag-fight, ma-enjoy yung pag-PVP, PVE." So hindi, eh. But anyway, that's just me. Suggestions, I don't know kung ma makakarating 'to sa kinauukulan. Oops, ba't ko ginalaw yun? Alright, 1 minute. So, I'll just probably take this and head out. By the way, medyo huli na, eh. So, I am Lil Me and this is my, episodic challenge. It's a faction flag gathering challenge. And my goal is to reach a 100 mastery on, T4 and T5 of this character. So, T4 and T5 lang muna. So, lahat ng gathering nodes, I'll move to skinning probably after this since marami-rami pala yung, ayan, the mobs that I can skin here. Okay din dun sa desert kasi I think the T5, Swift ko, they do drop some cob. Eto hindi, yung bear, pero okey na rin, mas okey na rin 'to. Alright, so just gonna, put it on the side and, call it a day. By the way, for those, listening, for this in this last part, please do like, share, subscribe, help me get the algorithm just and share the love. Share the information that there's a guy playing a faction flag, session focused on gathering. And see ya, again, Lil Me, ciao.